So if you had invested 27,000 naira, that would have been how many? 68 PLC in 2017 with 27,000 naira 500. Now one PLC is worth how much? 25. Multiply 68 by this. Somebody quickly do that. 68 times this. Let's know the value of this.
68 times 25.
Yes, still PLC. 170,000 naira. Imagine the business you did with this 2017 is already worth this, and the coins are still there. But because Platicon is not a Ponzi scheme, the company does not sell coins direct. That's okay to say coin just put into your wallet. No, the application meets the coin for you on a gradual basis. And for such a person that one of us here, he has eight coins. So when he comes, he say he has 8,000 coins.
See money.
Now I say, how much you invest? When you want to get 8,000 coins, it was very serious. You want to say 2,000 coins of it. Meanwhile, he refused to run with the network market ever since. If not, he will not even be dreaming. He should be ashamed that still having 68 coins. When people who came here just last year got simply a lot of coins right now. So, like what Prosper was saying, run where others are running. Do business. This is not Kalu. This is not Kalu. Don't expect your. That's what we call it passive income. It's passive. If you get a package in Platicon, it's passive. Please, there are seat, please. Let's put it. You're on passive income. The good news about it is that it's there for you for life. Nothing is happening to it. Not going out. And another one is that Platicon is 99% stable coin. Alright, some of you are disturbing yourself with market cap. Hey, we see them there for $2, we see them for $1, we see them for $5. We are not really concerned. It's just 1% market coin. It has moved from 10 cents to €5 to €5. That is 5,000% increase within the last 3 years. Since he left here, he cannot come back to this place. Now, all of you who are buying today at this price, you are not, of course, technically, you are not actually buying at this price. I've done that here so many times for those who are good students there. Any package you buy in Platicon today is actually €3.3. The cost of meeting it. Meanwhile, the value of Platicon today is €5. So what does that show to you? From the day you enter the business, you're already in profit. But you need to have patience for all your coins to be minted, then you now take to the market and sell and all that. But if you are in a hurry, you want to be selling, so I want to be making money, there are two ways to it. The two ways to it, number one, is through network marketing. Network marketing, number one. Number two is through your PLC farm app. So if you are not doing one of these, then better be patient for the next 3 years for your PLC to make sense.